Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming with another video from Luvmehair. They sent me the silk top bob with bangs, and it's just like a little straight bob with the little fringe bangs or whatever, and I'm just going to install it on my hair. So y'all know I don't like to braid my hair down, but if you braid or can get your hair braided, or you know how to braid your hair down, it will make the install look much better, more flatter. But if you can't braid, just pull it up in a ponytail and then pin the ponytail up, put a stocking cap on top, and you're good to go. And everybody that knows me knows I love me some throw on hair, so this is the epitome of throw on hair. So if you ain't got time to be like lace gluing and doing all that stuff, go ahead and get you one of these wigs from Love Me. So I just went in and sprayed some, I think that's the Fantasia, the heat protectant. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's just heat protectant. You can get it from the beauty supply. And I'm just going in, I'm just going to straighten the hair out because it's a blunt bob. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it almost totally straight without a bump. Because the way it comes to you, it has a kind of a tight bump at the bottom, and that's probably just from being shipped, because you know the ends get curled up once it's in the net, and it's in the net for I'm not telling how long. So I'm just going through and I'm just straightening it out totally. Those are the 1 3/4 inch Conair Infinity Pro flat irons. I got those from Ulta. If you're looking for some inexpensive flat irons, you can go to Ulta and get those for like $45. And you know, if you just need like a one pass flat iron, those will really work. Those are good ones. So yeah, I'm just going through and I'm just putting a quick little slight, just not even really a bump, just straightening it out mostly because it had a bump in it. If this video looks a little bit cloudy in the beginning, it's because my camera is not working, my front camera. So I am going to switch over to the back camera and you'll see the difference in the video quality. And again, I just want to apologize for the camera quality, but it is going to change in the next scene. Okay, so the wig, it should look something like that once you go through and just straighten it out really good. You can wear it the way it came, but you know, most people right now are wearing blunt bobs. They're gonna make it pretty straight, pretty bone straight. So anyway, I have straightened out the wig, and now I'm just gonna go in with a light brown stocking cap, because that's what I had available. It really doesn't make me any difference because I'm just using the cap just to hold my hair down, not really to like conceal anything or anything. But I just put the cap on and I just pulled it back just a little bit behind my hairline, and I'm just gonna slide the wig on. Y'all know I love me some throw on hair, some hair you ain't gotta fuss with and lay down and lace glue and got to be and do all that. So this is like super easy. If you just need some hair to just toss on when you're getting ready to go to work, to out, to wherever, this little cute little bob is really cute, and it has a silk top in it, so it looks like scalp on the top. So y'all, I'm gonna try to pull this wig on. I done pulled the cap back already. I'm just having a struggle, and this wig is so easy to put on, but the elastic bands had came loose, so that's what I'm doing, trying to get it over my ponytail and also keep the elastic bands attached, I guess. So anyway, that's how it looks once you just slide it on. All you have to do is just slide it on. I believe there's a comb in the back that you can attach. Of course, I don't want nothing attached, and it'll stay down just fine. And the wig is not too big or something. You know, sometimes you get wigs from these companies and they are like totally too big in the back and just don't fit right. But this wig is really a good little wig, especially if you just want to put some hair on quickly and you don't have all day to be trying to like fuss with some hair. This is a really good wig. So I'm just going back over and I'm just buffing my base. Y'all, I didn't realize that the wig was kind of still turned wrong because I'm trying to look in the mirror in the camera. But it's turned out really cute. Still, this is like super easy. The video didn't even have to be all day long, child. This is from Love Me. This is a silk top. I don't know the inches because I did not see the inches, but it's the silk top blunt bob with bangs. And I need to turn it just a little bit. If you like this video, don't forget to go down and leave me a heart in the comments. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go to Love Me and order this wig. It's super cheap, like $89. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, the headband is available on www.hairstylesbyshaniqua.thewigline.com, and also you can use code Oliver20 on Luvmehair.com to get 20% off of your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching.